welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small TEMU order I got a couple days ago, fixed it up, and it's ready to get shown. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. As you can see, all my stickers have come back, and not the original ones because I've had them packed up, so I kind of don't know where they are. So I put some new ones or some couple old ones I've shown before. I cannot find my diamond painting ones, so my apologies if there's no diamond painting stickers. I'm a little sad about that because I do want diamond painting on here, but I'll figure it out later down the road. And just to let you all know again, I am an official TEMU affiliate, so you'll see a code appear around here that if you use the code and you enter it, if you're a new TEMU user, it gives a couple of coupon bundles to help discount anything that you plan to order, as well as a certain percentage to discount down. If you're a returning TEMU user, there's some percentages of discount as well. For anyone who's never used TEMU, they're always having sales, they're always having discounts, so I'm a big fan of it because the majority of my diamond paintings are from TEMU. And if the code is used, I do get a small little commission and some seeding money towards any campaign that TEMU wishes for us to pick up to kind of show some items that they sell that are not just diamond painting. So if there's anything that you're interested in, you can select that and it'll kind of help me out as well. And well, without further ado, let's get to the paintings. So my first painting, if you're familiar with my channel, I love flowers. I have a lot of paintings that are flowers, so first one's gonna be about flowers. And you would just unfurl it. Usually all the diamond paintings come wrapped in a plastic covering, but I remove them before I show them just so y'all don't hear the crinkly noise while I struggle to pull the paintings out. And once you open the painting, you will receive your diamonds and your standard tool kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard tool kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would do is get the pen, press it in the wax, press it on the diamond that you poured on here. Press it on the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if you lose this or it breaks, your next painting will have you covered. And these are the diamonds. Goodness, the first thing I saw was that yellow that's hidden here in the background. Oh, I love the green and the blues. And yeah, there's a couple of light ones hidden in the middle. Usually when they have them in strips, still some of the lighter colors end up in the middle. I don't know if I don't believe they're planned. I just think they just end up like that. This nice little pastel green, I really like that. Oh, I really love these colors. And the flowers, the painting is this. As I said, they're flowers. They're little sunflowers with some blue flowers and a really beautiful yellow crystalline kind of stained glass background, kind of highlighting a bit of, especially for the dark blue, kind of makes them pop a bit. And I'm actually going to pick up the plastic a bit. All paintings have this little plastic cover. It's to keep the adhesive from sticking to anything else, as you'll probably hear. It's really sticky. And it's what helps keep the diamonds down on the painting, and you don't have to worry about them popping off. You can seal the painting after you finished it. For myself, I do not do that because the glue, I have no problems with it. So after I'm done with the painting, I'll either put it in my portfolio or hang it up. As you can see, the plastic kind of helped it kind of remove the creases a bit. You'll still see it, but if you place it flat anywhere, either a book or as with myself, I put in a portfolio, usually the creases go away. Oh my goodness, I really want to get this up. I think I can do it for fall. It makes me think of fall, so this might be the next kit up I might do. I really love this painting. And some information about the painting: it is YMLL022 and is a 20 by 20. It has 15 colors. And luckily, the legend is all capital letters. So I'm a big fan of that because it makes it so much simpler, especially when you're working on the painting. You don't have to worry about, ooh, there's a random 6 hidden here under 10 or something like that. That's gotten me before. It messes me up a bit. And yeah, for this painting, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see more clearly. If a nice pair of sunflowers or more your style. I'm going to put this aside real quick. And my apologies, I was going to start stating the prices for the paintings, but I kind of forgot. I know for that painting, I got it discounted. I believe it was $1.75 when I purchased it. So if you try to purchase it now, it might be kind of a slight price difference. But as I said, TEMU's always having sales. So you might get it around that price, or you might get it a little lower, depending on the time you pick it up. And this is the next painting. So I know we're in July, but as a crocheter, and diamond painter as well, I already know I have to be getting ready, get items ready for Christmas. So you'll see why I'm showing this painting next. And as well, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, I love this yellow. Again, the yellow came back again. I always spot this color first. Really nice dark green. Oh, I love that teal in the background. That's like one of my favorite colors. The pastel teal too, but I really love this darker teal. I love this dark red. It's like magenta red. Anytime I see this red, it makes me think of Christmas. Same thing with the bright red, as you can see here. Love the little sand tone in the middle. And see, little light teal. There you go, all hid in the middle. I really love these diamonds. And this is the painting. As I said, getting ready for the holidays. It's a little kind of, they're trees. It's making a little wreath. It has a couple of, I believe, it's holly with some snow around it. And it's just surrounding around the home, which is all decorative with Christmas items. With a wreath, a red door, snow around it. And I really love this painting. And it did. First time I saw it, first thing it made me think of the holidays. So I'm a big fan of that. I'm just lifting the plastic again just to help with the creases, because it's kind of picking up the painting a bit. And when I flatten it, it might make it a little easier to see. And there we go. Perfect. So as you can see, it's a little nice kind of dark sky. Little itty bitty smoke coming out of one of the chimneys. Little pathway. Oh my goodness. Actually, this is one of the next ones I'll kit up. I do need a couple more holiday paintings, especially once December hits. It's going to be Christmas all over my apartment. So, or sorry, holidays or Christmas or anything with snow, because I love snow. So a lot of the paintings are going to have snow on it. And some information about the painting. It is WZ964 and it is a 20 by 30. And it is 15 colors. And again, woo woo, it is all capital letters. Sorry, I get so happy when I see that. And I'm a big fan of that. Oh, I really am loving this painting. Sorry about that. I keep staring at it. And for this painting as well, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly. You have a nice little home covered in snow. It's perfect for you for the holidays as well. And so for my last painting, oops, sorry about that. I dropped it. It's a little bit larger. This one is flowers. Like I said, it's always flowers in me. So let me just unfurl it real quick. No matter the size, no matter what kind of painting, the little standard toolkit will always find its way to you. They said they always have you back. Never have to worry about it, just in case you lose or break one. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, these are kitted up. They're all in Ziploc bags. Oh, that's pretty cool. I love that. I don't usually get a lot of kits in this style. They're usually all in those little kind of sachets that you'll have to cut open. So whenever I get these little Ziploc bags, I don't use Ziploc bags anymore whenever I work on a painting. Even if they're in the bag, I'll pour them into little kind of tube canisters, my little suitcase storage units, because I'm used to working that way for me. And it keeps me, because I'm kind of clumsy, keeps me from spilling them everywhere. I used to use them in Ziplocs, but oh my goodness, I always had a mess. So that's why I don't paint with Ziplocs anymore. But I do appreciate that they kit them up that way, because I don't have to be cutting and throwing away any kind of plastic. Allows me to save the Ziploc bags, because I always have a use for them, even if it's not for diamond painting. And I really love these colors. They're really pastel, really bright. And I see that big old packet of that cream white colors hidden here in the middle. I see you, light one. I think you're the background. I love the yellow. Oh, I love that peachy color. Oh, there's a lot of peach too. I really love these colors. And this is the painting. As I said, it's all about the flowers for me. It's a wonderful little vase with some, I'm not too sure what they are. At first I thought they were roses, but they might be carnations. As you can probably see in the little photo, let me see if I can get that a little closer. I think they might be carnations. And I'm a big fan of it. When I first saw the image, to me it just looks so sophisticated. so classy. I don't know why. It looks, it just looks kind of stylish for me. And I'm fixing the plastic as well because this one's really, really rolled up. Trying to see if I can get it a little bit more right for you all, so you can see a little bit more clearly. And there we go. Ooh, that's a lot better. Yeah, you can actually see the little vase with the flowers up here, the little pink background with that nice cream color in the background. I called you, Diamond. And the pink at the bottom, I believe, is the table, and I really, really love this. Now, you're seeing that this painting is a tad bit different than the other paintings, and that's because this painting has a lot of assistant circles, and that's what I call them. So you can probably see there's little circles around the symbols. Let me see if I can get that on camera a bit. And see if I can zoom it, because I've never had to do the zoom thing. Oh, won't allow me. Oh, sorry. It tried to adjust the brightness for me. And there we go. See if I can get a little closer for y'all. So you can see the little assistant circles everywhere. It's usually for, as I stated, assistants. So especially if you're new to diamond painting, it really helps because all these paintings that I've shown are rounds. So it really helps, especially when you're starting, when you're placing the diamonds. It lets you pinpoint exactly where the little diamond goes. To me, I have no issue with it, even though I've been doing diamond painting already for getting close to almost a year. I have no problems with assistant circles because I cover them. So as long as they're covered with the diamond, you can really see them. But I do know some diamond painters aren't big fans of them, but to each their own. One day you might forget, oh yeah, I have to place the rounds, in this spot. You kind of know how to keep it organized a bit. So that's why the painting kind of looks like this style. It's the little lining that's kind of affecting the little image. It won't affect it though. After you finish the painting, you will not see the assistant circles at all anymore. So it's not an issue at all. Sorry about that. I went on a tangent about that. So some information about the painting. It is CY-HH00805-30 by 40, which is the size of the painting. It's a 30 by 40 centimeters, and it is 25 colors. Now this one's a tad different. The legend, it has in the beginning the numbers 1 through 8, and then from 9 all the way to 25, they're all capital letters, as you can see. So I shouldn't really have a problem because luckily 3 is 3, 4 is 4. I've done some paintings that 1 is 1, 2 is the letter R, and it totally throws me off. Or I've had some paintings that it's the number 5. It's number 5 on the legend, but the symbol's number 9. See how it kind of throws you off? Honestly, I hate those. It really, really messes me up. But I'm slowly trying to learn to slow down because I rush a lot with paintings. So whenever I see that on the legend, I kind of slow it down because I know it's going to get me. And yeah, that's pretty much all I had to show today. Oh, my apologies. For this painting as well, I'll make sure to put it in a chair so you can see more clearly. Nice little vase of flowers is more your style. I really do like this painting. I actually need to start making a couple more 30 by 40s. I usually try to use 20 by 20s because that's my favorite size, but I think I'll try to start getting up a couple more of these. And yeah, that's all I really have to show for today. It was a smaller order, so that there's only 3 paintings. And a lot of my orders that are coming up, a lot of my TEMU orders coming up, they're all smaller. It's a lot easier for me to keep them organized if they're smaller orders. So that's why you won't see, I won't present a video of like 20 TEMU paintings for an hour video. So I'm not going to do that. That's just way too much information I'd be throwing at everyone. And I'm actually excited because I'm actually waiting for a PR package. So I'll make sure to do a video when that comes up. And yeah, so if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I ask if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It really helps out the channel, really pushes it out there in the algorithm, and it gives me the opportunity for everyone to be able to see these wonderful paintings as well. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.